We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button. Tell them when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. having an explosive move to the upside, finding consolidation while the rest of the market was having volatility and pulling downwards, right? And our SPY bot at 11:50 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, put options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way, so you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize whether stocks are going up or going down and receiving this edge and clarity that 42 vision brings. So here we are with Bbig stock. And in today's video, we're going to talk about some key levels you definitely do not want to miss. You definitely want to stick around because the big question is this a dead cat bounce? We're going to break it all down. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning by one of our Tesla bots over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And the stocks I mentioned this morning gave jumps of 5 to 10%, 10% plus. But our home run turned out to be our Tesla bot. And if you guys want to receive this edge and clarity over the charts and become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together and know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, getting connected over to the 42 vision indicator and our bots as well. And this is something that we strive for every single day. So our Tesla bot sent out at 12 p.m. a bear indicator, and this is how it performed on the charts. It pulled downwards, jumped back up, and within an hour, puts were up 150% to 200% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and have that edge and receive this clarity over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, our 42 vision indicators. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. And as I stated earlier in the video, what an explosive move, but we have to talk about key levels here within the charts. Now I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to our SPY bot, QQQ bot, and newly released Tesla bot. And we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, and you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving the clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Bbig stock. It was under a bear indicator since way up here at $3.23, pulled downwards consecutively, and it hit white with red borders 2 times, okay, recently in the last 3 days, right? It jumped back up nearly 20% within the day, pulled back down, and in this run we're up almost 20% again from the 2 times that we hit the dip area, right? That's the whole point with 42 vision, right? We see the rips and the dips, and if it does not follow a bull indicator, sometimes they're not strong enough, and if the bear indicator still persists, the weakness might continue. But in this case, it's a little bit different. It's consolidated up at these levels. It got a bull indicator and has canceled out this bear indicator within the 30-minute. And I stated yesterday in the video that we want within the volatility, right? Because the 30-minute is much more volatile than the 4-hour and 1 day that we look at, for it to cancel out this bear indicator and get a bull indicator. And that's what's happened. And it doesn't just work on the 30-minute. It also works on the 15-minute. It also works on the 5-minute. Within the volatility, and things have been pretty strong since the pre-market up to this consolidation, slightly pulled back, and now having a continuation again of strength based off the 5-minute. And on the 15-minute, it hasn't even flinched since it popped up down here at the 240s, and it's consolidated in this area. and there's some key levels that need to be broken through for this to do the next leg up and create a staircase effect. And that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. But let's go back to the 30-minute. Let's go back and look at different time frames such as the 4-hour and the 1-day to break it all down. And I've received in my videos and previous videos in the comment section how BBIG stock is highly manipulated, charts don't matter, and so forth. And I've talked about BBIG stock for months, almost a year now. If you actually think about it, it's almost like around 8 to 10 months, almost reaching a year, not yet there. But we've been talking about it for a while, right? Since the end of last year, going into the beginning. Also, this big jump right here when it got that bull indicator and squeezed from $2 all the way up towards the 5s, rejected, got that bear indicator all the way back down. And in this consolidation, I've always talked about how important it was to break above $4. We briefly touched it here. It sold off, and then $3 has been an important support level to put pressure on shorts, because all of this up here, right, is where the shorts are putting pressure. I've talked about this in yesterday's video, previous videos, and that is why $4 is such an important level. Now, back in January, the average cost of many investors holding BBIG was between $5 to $7, right? On the high end, on the low end, $3 to $5. So anytime it reaches above 3 and gets closer to $4 or $5, there's a sell-off going on, because either profit taking, breaking even, or cutting losses short is happening, right? Every single time. And the shorts take advantage of that by shaking out more bulls out of the position by putting pressure back down as well. But the pressure doesn't just happen because of shorts, and I really want to emphasize that. There has to be some selling pressure as well going on, like what's happened here. And a lot of people actually ended up averaging down in the last several months. And as soon as this reaches $3, there's always a point of rejection, like it did right here. And that's why we fell right back down. And now, as soon as it broke above $3, it didn't even hold it. It broke all the way to $4, didn't even hold it. And it lasted only 1 day above $3. And that's where the shorts continue to put pressure. That's why this needs to stay above 3, break above 4, and then more shorts could be trapped, and there could be a possible squeeze. Not guaranteed, not financial advice. As I always state in my videos, these are my opinions alone, and I could be completely wrong, but just based off the data and the average cost that the data is showing many holders have, and where the shorts are putting pressure, and the resistance levels and rejections, $4 is a pivotal point for a possible squeeze, as everyone is expecting, right? The gamma squeeze from last month, this month, or even in the future, whenever it is to happen. But the Tyde shares, that news created this run, and ever since then, it's creating an effect, as I stated before, that this could have been buy the rumor, sell the news type of effect, because going into it, it ran. And since the news has been out, it's been falling. Now, don't get me wrong, the overall market has been falling as well. So it's not just BBIG that's falling, but BBIG stock had a lot of attention going towards it. And this is why I always break down these videos and charts without any hype, straight to the point. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, and we look at the charts. Whoever says the charts do not matter either does not understand charts or do not want others to understand charts. And that is why I break down the charts, we talk about the key levels, and we go ahead and see what 42 Vision is showing. And you have access to this as well. The link is down below to receive this clarity and edge over the charts. Now, when we look at BBIG stock on larger time frames, you'll notice that we are under a bear indicator and things are transitioning on 42 Vision from red with green borders to dark green, and that's one step closer to further strength. But we need a bull indicator on the 4-hour to cancel out this bear indicator and continue the momentum upwards. So it's definitely going to be important to watch that as well as those transitions continue, and that's what I'm going to be looking at on 42 Vision. On the 1 day, we just transitioned into a bear indicator yesterday, and here we are with a red bar continuing the weakness. So on the 30-minute, within the volatility, things are moving with strength, but in the bigger picture, things are looking pretty weak based off the 1 day and the 4-hour. We need these two to actually get canceled out and get out of that red bar on the 1 day as well. But right now, pretty strong move here. And the first thing is support, right? So I'm going to tie in this support here at 252 to narrow it down. If that gets broken through, the next level is down here at 233. And then below that would be 220s. And above to the upside, the first level is the highest point of the day at 267, 266, give or take. And then getting back up towards 280 and breaking out towards $3. I think $3 will be pivotal. Some shorts could start feeling some pressure, but it is a point where the bulls need a stepping stone away from that upwards towards $4. And then $4 needs to be held. And that's where a lot more shorts, even from way back here in January, could possibly feel pressure that actually started shorting again on the way down towards the 2s or in the recent days. So super, super important. And right now, there's probably shorts that have started to short here at these levels as well. So getting back up to those levels could put pressure on the shorts and squeeze them out of their positions. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make